Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I was just sent some new things from one of my favorite companies, Resin, that I want to share with you today. First, we have these new colored pearlescent resins. I'm super excited to try these out. The colors look so pretty. There's 10 total bottles in here with 9 different colors. They also sent this UV light with 20 LEDs. This is larger than my other light, and I love that it has the option for up to 5 total minutes of cure time. For my first project with these resins, I really wanted to make something to showcase each of these gorgeous colors. I'm using this bezel cutter that has 9 distinct spots for gemstones. All right, our clay has been baked and we are ready to add our pearlescent resin gemstones. These colors are absolutely stunning. Let's pop this under the UV light to harden so that we can see our finished earrings. And here we are. Each of these colors is just beautiful. I don't think I can pick a favorite. I hope you enjoyed seeing how these new pearlescent resins from Resin work in action. I've put links in the description for both the resins and the UV light, and stay tuned for more upcoming projects.